All right, everyone, you are welcome to today's training. In today's training, I'll quickly be showing you how to create a Facebook page. All right. Now, I just want to do this. I just want to quickly do this one because a lot of my students has been asking me uh, to show them how to create a Facebook page. All right, for their business and what they will be also using to showcase their businesses and also for ads. Now to do that, you just log into your Facebook. Now this I'll be using laptop, but in case you are using a mobile phone, it's still the same thing. All right. Now you just quickly log into your Facebook and come to this menu. All right. You just click on this menu. If you are using your phone, it's still the same thing. You click on this menu here, then you come over to where you have a page. You click on it. Now you can see that's taking us to the place where we can create our Facebook page. All right. Now for this first one, it's showing that page name. The name, what is simply saying is that what is the name you want to use for your Facebook page? Is it a business page? What is the name of the business you want to use? For instance, you want to be selling uh, air. You want to be selling air, human air. All right. Now, what is the name you want to use? Let's say, for example, let's say uh, air, air word. All right. For example, that's the name air word. Then the category. What category you want to use? The category. Just come here and say the beauty, cosmetics, and personal care. All right. Or hairstylist, hair salon. All right. Okay. Now let's move on. Now it's saying the all right. Now for the bio, it's just the description. They are telling you to put it to describe your business. All right. Now the description you will use for your business. Now since it is it's a hair fashion business, you just kindly say uh, welcome, sorry, welcome to uh, welcome to Air World, where we sell and fees all right. You can just do something like this. You can, if yours is other business, if it's a networking business you want to go for, a programming business, you can just put something, a description related to your your business. All right. Now when you are done with that, you click on create page. All right. All right. Now you can see Air World was created. Now you can add image or go to your page to add more details. All right. Now for here you can put a website here. If you have a website, you can put a website. For instance, you can say air airworld.com. All right, or .com .ng. Your phone number, you can put a phone number there. If you are in Nigeria, you can just put Nigeria code there. and put your phone number. Then if you have email, you can put your email there. All right, I'll be using this random email there. You can that this random email. So if you have your unique email, you can put your unique email and your unique phone number, your address, your city. Then let people know your location hours. All right, if you are always open, you can put always open. If you are not always open, maybe you are open from Monday to Friday, you can still enter the specific hours and the days. All right, so I prefer you just put always open since it's a business page. All right, now you click on next. Now here is saying that we should add a profile picture and a cover photo. All right, now if you have a profile picture, you kindly put your profile picture and the cover photo. Now let me quickly show you how you can easily get a cover photo or and also a profile picture. Now to do that, you just come to your browser, and go to Canva. All right, you come to your browser and search for canva.com. Now it will open, you sign in and it will open like this. You just all you just need to do is to search for Facebook cover uh, Facebook cover picture. All right, Facebook cover picture. You just search for it and it will bring different example. Now you can see. Now let's go for this one. Let's use this one as an example. You can as well edit it, you can customize it. You can see customize this template, you can just customize it. You can customize it and you can change the setting, you can change the write up. Now since we are using AirWord, you can say AirWord. For F for everyone. All right, can you see? And delete this one. You can even change the you can change you can reduce these tests. You can reduce the text, you can change the fonts. Let's change the font. You can change the font. Let's say let's just use this one for example. All right, so the background, you can even change the background color. Let's just use pure black so that that image will not be there. So this I'm showing you how you can get your Facebook page cover photo, and how you can also edit it, customize it to your own. All right, let's let's use this one for example. You can get a good design. You can even design it to your own taste. But since this video is uh, uh, just for a training purpose, so I'll just use this one as an example. So you can download after you have finished editing it. You just click on this share and download. All right, you can also get a all right. Now let's upload their cover photo. And this is it here. Now can you see word Air for everyone? Can you see? Okay, so that is it. You can also do the same thing. This for the cover photo. You can also do the same thing for the profile picture as well. And after that, you just click on next. All right, to get started, you send a code on WhatsApp. Just edit the phone number associated with your phone account. So page 8 good compared to similar page with high engagement. Now all right, okay, they are saying that if you connect your WhatsApp number, they are going to send you a code on your WhatsApp number. So this means that if you want to add your WhatsApp number to your WhatsApp number to your page, all right, now let's skip to the next part. This also okay. Invite friends. You want to invite friends so that you want to invite friends to like your page and follow your page. You just invite friends. You click here to invite friends, but I'm not going to be inviting any friends now because since this page is for a training, because this page at the end of the day I will delete this page because I'm not going to be using it. This is just for a training purpose. Click on next. Page notification on your profile. If you want a page notification, marketing and promotion, you just check it or you uncheck it. All right, so once you are done, once you are once you have finished engaging on all these things, you just click on done. Then your page will be created successfully. All right, now your page will be created successfully. All right, now let's review the page again. Category beauty, cosmetics, hairstylist. Okay, contact info. You can see you can even edit from this side. You can add your social media links if you want people to connect with you on through your various social media platform. Then you can also add price range. If the page is all about selling goods and services, you can add price range, add your services, add a language. Then you can also do some editing here. All right, you can invite friends from here, add photos and videos. You can add more photos and videos. All right, so you can do some editing here as well. So all right, now okay, all right, now this is a simple way to create a Facebook page. Now this I did this for my student because they'll be asking. All right, so it's very easy and this is the simple way to do it. Thank you very much. And then for our next class I'll be showing you how you can uh, get more followers on your Facebook page organically. How you can get followers on your Facebook page. Thank you very much.